Hello everyone, welcome to Nation Innovation. This is the 7th tutorial and here we'll learn how to send real-time sensor data to Google Firebase with ESP8266. The real-time databases can be used in this scenario where we just have to interface some controller which can be connected to internet and can be able to exchange data with the cloud server. The server data can be useful in monitoring real-time system behavior, database analytics, statistical analysis, and processing and interpretation of future use case. There are lots of IoT hardware platforms and cloud platforms available to serve this purpose. In this project, we'll use an LDR and a Node MCU ESP8266 module to log the light intensity in real time on Google's Firebase data server. So this is the hardware connection of the circuit. One terminal of the LDR is given to 3 volt and the other terminal is given to A0 pin from where it is going to receive the data, the readings, and this LDR is given to ground pin. Now let's see how to create a project in Firebase. Log into Firebase with your Gmail account, then click on Go to Console, click on Add Project, enter your project name, click on Continue, continue again, select the default account for Firebase and then click on Create a Project. So your project has been created. Let's continue. Now go to Settings, Project Settings, Service Accounts, Database Secrets. This is the authentication key of our project. Let's open it, copy it, and then paste it in the Firebase authentication in your Arduino code. Now again go to Firebase, click on Database, go to Real-Time Database, enable. Now copy this URL and paste it in your code in the Firebase host. Remove the backslash and HTTPS. Add the ID and password of your Wi-Fi and save your code. After saving, connect the ESP module to the computer and upload this code. After the code has been uploaded to the Node MCU module, you can open the serial monitor over here and there you can observe the light intensity values. You can also observe these values in Firebase. The values are being updated every second.